Why do 85% of social media influencers earn more than you? Is it luck, timing, or do they know something you don't? The truth is, it's a mix of strategy, consistency, and a bit of savvy. Let's uncover their secrets right now. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear roadmap to start making money on social media. All right, lads and lasses, let's get cracking on how to turn your social media into a money-making machine. It's not just about posting pretty pictures or funny videos. It's about creating a brand, engaging with your audience, and leveraging your influence. First up, pick your platform. This is crucial because each platform has its own unique audience and style. Are you all about those snappy TikToks? Or maybe Instagram's your jam? Perhaps you prefer the professional vibe of LinkedIn or the community feel of Facebook. Choose wisely, my friend. Your choice will determine the type of content you create and the audience you attract. Next, content is king. This isn't just a cliche, it's the truth. Find your niche and stick to it. This means identifying what you're passionate about and what you can consistently create content around. Whether it's baking epic cakes, sharing hilarious pet videos, or offering fitness tips, consistency is your ticket to fame. Posting regularly keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. And don't forget, quality over quantity. It's better to post one high-quality video a week than 7 low-quality. Nobody likes a blurry cat video, right? Invest in good equipment and take the time to edit your content properly. Now build an audience. Engage. This is where many people fall short. Reply to comments, host live sessions, and make your followers feel like they're part of your journey. The more you interact with your audience, the more loyal they become. Trust me, people love a bit of personal touch. Share behind-the-scenes moments, ask for their opinions, and show appreciation for their support. Once you've got a decent following, it's time to monetize. This is where the fun begins. Sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling your own merch can bring in the dosh. But it's important to choose partnerships and products that align with your brand. Remember to stay authentic though. Nobody likes a sellout. Your audience trusts you, and that trust is invaluable. And don't be shy about collaborations. Working with other influencers can be a game changer. Partnering with other creators can expand your reach and bring in new fans. It's a win-win situation. Plus, it's a lot more fun than going solo. You can learn from each other, share audiences, and create even better content together. So there you have it. The secrets to social media stardom. It's not an overnight success story, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can make it happen. Now go forth and conquer the interwebs. Cheerio. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process, learn from your experiences, and keep pushing forward. The world of social media is vast and full of opportunities. Seize them